mean, I think, something that's really interesting that's happening now, for folks who don't know, I'm a journalist. And so I talk to a lot of people who have varying opinions about the psychedelic movement and how it should unfold. And right now, it seems like there is sort of this weird dichotomy emerging in which some people are saying, well, we should go the decriminalization route. It's more for the people. Other people are saying we need to go the medicalization route because we need to ensure that there's a safe setting and container for folks who might not have experience with psychedelics or might be afraid to do a psychedelic without the FDA's stamp of approval. I just want to say, I think that that's a false dichotomy. I think that everyone who believes in the therapeutic potential of psychedelics needs to come together right now and engage in critical dialogue about how we can move the movement forward. The most important thing is access to reduce suffering. And I also think that this sort of like recreational medical dichotomy is false, as Jerry referenced. Obviously, it's the way in which people use psychedelics is a giant continuum. You can have an experience that is recreational and medical and spiritual all at the same time. And so we need to account for that. And we can't be creating arbitrary indications saying, well, this person has treatment-resistant depression, so they should be able to take psilocybin, but this person has alcoholism and we didn't do a clinical trial that, sufficiently proved that psilocybin is effective for alcoholism, so thus they can't get prescribed. I mean, it's a fakakta system, as my mother would say in Yiddish. It's the FDA double-blind randomized clinical trials are incredibly important for proving the efficacy and safety of certain drugs, but it's also creating a system which we're all incredibly familiar with, has deep limitations. So we need to be thinking about that as we're pouring millions and millions of dollars into psychedelic research.